Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lover. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be almighty keep you happy, keep you home still happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet winter shirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also be sure to follow. Press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel the first time. You can also buy to the packet about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So far this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend Delhi. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashionary videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, yet you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So for today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion letter designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.